In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a hot chocolate in Frappe Roblox. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Making a hot chocolate in Frappe Roblox is very easy. You only need two ingredients. This page that I'm showing you on screen now has all the recipes listed, so I highly recommend that you open up this page that you can find on the dev forum and you keep it open on the side if you are still trying to memorize all the drinks in Frappe Roblox. Look for Frappe recipe guide on Google and access the first page in the dev forum. In here you will have all the beverages in the game. You have hot beverages, cold beverages, and they also provide additional information. As you can see, hot chocolate is listed under the hot beverages, and all you have to do to make it is mix matcha sauce with steamed milk. This will give you one hot chocolate. If you want, you can also add cream on top, and this will give you hot chocolate with cream. As long as you follow these instructions listed here, you will be able to make hot chocolate and also every other recipe in the experience. So this is why I highly recommend that you come here often, or that you keep this page open on the side on your computer or your phone in order to always memorize and have the recipes at hand when you need them to make orders. You will become a master in Frappe Roblox by using this recipe guide. But to make a hot chocolate, all you need is matcha sauce and steamed milk. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a hot chocolate in Frappe Roblox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.